This is how you recover your Geometry Dash password without your email address. First, download the PCAP Droid app from Google Play. Then go inside and click Ready. Then go into Geometry Dash and create and delete an account comment. After that, go back to the PCAP Droid app and look for a connection where the URL is upload GJ account comment. Open the HTTP tab and copy the GJP field to your computer. On your computer, open the two links that are in the description and copy the code from the second link to the first link. Then, insert your GJP encrypted password into the first line. Click Save and Run, and your password should be displayed on the right side.